front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section here called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, select Add Password option, and if you don't see it, that means that you never added a password before, like in my case. To add them manually, you need to have at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Then make sure Offers to Save Passwords option is on, and leave Settings opened in the background. Then pick any website or any app that requires an account and log in. After you do, you will see Google Password Manager pop up. Make sure to select Save in order to add your password. Then go back to Settings, choose Google Password Manager. And as you can see, my password was successfully added, and with it, Add Password option appeared. So now tap on it and input all of those informations. Click on Select App to tap on the one you wanna add, and after deciding to what website or app you wanna enter your password, input all of those informations like username, email or phone number, password, and even simple and helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!